So we've talked about intuitive eating versus strict meal plan eating, and we've also talked about all our habits and everything else. So now, how do we actually plan a meal? When it comes to who you're preparing for, as a family of 2, 3, 4 or more, it becomes important for you to know what kind of food you need to make if there are food aversions, food allergies, or things you need to take into consideration. Then of course you need to know how much you can spend. Is budget not a problem for you? That's great, but that's not most people. So we need to make sure that we understand the best times to go grocery shopping for not only deals, we need to look at potential coupons, we need to look at how we can maximize our money to get the best food possible to still reach our goals. Another great question to ask is, how am I going to shop? With these unprecedented times, it might be difficult for some people to get to the grocery store in order to go get the food they want. So are you going to use Amazon? What about Walmart? What about some of these other companies that will go get those groceries for you and bring them to your house? So as you go through and we start to plan out our different meals and snacks, those are things we want to consider. There will of course be times where this may not work out to the best, but it's always a good idea to plan ahead. As Abe Lincoln said, if you give me 4 hours to chop down a tree, I'm going to spend the first 3 hours sharpening the axe. Your meal planning abilities and skills that we're going to give you as the Pala Performance Program will allow you to get better at this so that you can have exactly what you need on your list and order it and purchase it for the cheapest and best prices possible.